cushion, rewashable. So we're gonna look. We need to unboxing this one to delivery, and this one. So let's check it out. What is this? And look what I have here. This one. So we're gonna open this first. The big one. We're gonna open first the big one. Look guys. Egg setter support cushion, rewashable. So we're gonna look what inside. Tara! For the car. Seats for the car. So I need this one in the car because I'm too small. So I need this. The next unboxing is this one. This. I don't know what is this. Oh my god. Look at this one guys. Car cleaner or vacuum. Car vacuum. Look. Come closer. So, may vacuum na ako guys. Vacuum for the car. I don't know how to put this back.
Look at the sheet.
Okay, that one. And then we have cord. And manual. We have this manual. Okay, thank you very much. G&T Express. Thank you for the delivery. This is very nice. This is egg setter support cushion for the seats. So I really need this one for the car.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I need to show you what's inside so that you have idea. Look, it's very nice. Look at that. I think this is very comfortable.
Go and try
It's
it.
very soft. I'm gonna try this one later, guys. Bye.
20 minutes later.
Guys, i-try ko yung ano natin, no, vacuum. I-try natin kung paano siya gamitin. Waran eh, palihog. So we go inside the car and we will try this one. Hold just like that. So we will try this one, guys. Let's go first. at this one guys, yung nakuha namin na dumi sa car. Marami siya. Ayan. Mga ano balas. Ayan oh. Inside dirt. Look at the dirt. Passenger oh.
Ay kagalo isa pa di.
Yes.